Popping out is Hamito. Entry pass. Kalahat sablay. Grabs his own miss. Baklaan. Facing the blitz. Razon putting it on the deck. Jumper. Ayaw gumapang paloob. Labanan sa rebound. Mapupunta sa Muntinlupa ang possession.
And Jammer Hamito now goes out. And Rob Celis, in my opinion, would be playing the 5 spot.
Oh, they've gone small.
Yeah, they've gone small. No, he's going to play 4. Eric is going to come in. He's going to play 5.
Oo, papalitan niya muna si Kalahat.
And this might be probably the strongest 5 that they can field in right now for Caloocan.
They reviewed that last out-of-bounds play. We're under the last 2 minutes. Quick shoutout lang, no? Former Caloocan Batang Kangkalo. Pero taga-Caloocan din to eh. Si Archie Inigo nanonood ngayon.
Archie!
Oo, di ba?
He's playing for...
Hulaan mo.
He told me already, I forgot. Archie, sorry, nakalimutan ko. Alamin ko ulit yan. Ang dami nyo kasing gumalaw.
Kaya nga eh, sa dami ng
players
galawan sa MPBL, ang hirap ng mag-keep track.
Oo, totoo.
Apreco sa loob! 6 points here in the 4th period.
Don't look now. This is a 4-0 run here by the Cagers. Lead trimmed down to 6.
LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Piton. Step back jumper over MJ Talavergen, making it look easy. That was tough, Coach Mike.
Yeah, you could tell that Chris Piton immediately wanted to chase for that space. Entire right side of the floor open. Once he got to that space, used that footwork to create separation. But Sean, though, also knocking down shots.
Brilliant performance for Sean Argente. 13 points.
Caloocan's not out of this yet.
Oo, pwede pa ito. 59 seconds left. Just a 6-point lead. Piton taking his time. The show by Straight. Ball will stay with Caloocan. Pwede review nung last out-of-bounds play. Shoutout ko na rin mabilis lang si Brian Meca. Nanonood sa atin.
Brian, happy viewing. Cebu pa rin ba siya?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Sabi ko kasi sa dami ng
sa
mga
dami, hindi mo na maano
ganap
eh.
eh.
Players would message us and tell us where they are. And then another player would message you. Makakalimutan mo na i-lose track eh, no?
Actually, wala pa naman like official na nilalabas na mga lineup eh.
Yes.
Although, of course, sa social media, we've seen like
with Batang Kangkalo.
saan yung mga
Correct.
mga players na pupunta, na nare-report.
So that rock will remain with Caloocan.
Yeah. Only 6 though. Remaining sa 6 seconds sa shot clock. Celis. Nice hands. Miranda stealing it away. Ajem in transition. Apreco, pasa palabas.
This is really big.
Argente! No! Good line, just off the mark. Good attempt though from Sean Argente. Piton. What a move! Putting in perhaps the finishing touches to the strong second half showing by Caloocan.
And this is the best guard display quarter of that triple threat guard combination of Coach Mike Sagigit. This time, you're seeing Chris Piton. Earlier, you saw Jello, Kian, and now it's Chris's turn.
Hirap nun. Chris Piton though, just eluding multiple defenders.
Yes.
Extending this lead to 8. Let's listen in. Well, we have a timeout by Muntinlupa. Down by 8, 27.3 seconds left. And Coach Mike, not impossible, but Muntinlupa needs to score quickly here.
Yeah. One thing that really, in my opinion, changed the tide of this game is the way that Caloocan played in the second half. I mean, you always fit your personnel to the system. And so based on what we observed, it sure looked like Coach Mike Sagigit went to his guards and told them, we do this, we do that.
Screen. Atawid. Screen ka kay Kente. Flash. Backpick. Kaya natin sa ball. Double right away. Double right away. Double right away.
Chris Biton, 11 points, 3 rebounds, 4 steals. And he was hampered by that injury where he was forced to miss out like what, almost 2 months.
Oh yes.
Medyo dun din na diskaril yung Caloocan eh.
Oo, totoo yan.
And then nung bumalik siya against Bulacan where they lost that game, na-injure ulit siya. So medyo matagal din yung kanyang pagbalik. And by the time he came back, papalapit na sa playoffs eh. So he never really found his rhythm. But with Gian Baclaan there, things should be fun moving forward for Caloocan as they secure this win.
Yeah.
They had to earn it against a
Alright.
gritty Muntinlupa squad.
Oh, tsaka, well, hats off to Muntinlupa Cagers for giving a good challenge all game long to the high-powered Caloocan team. But this is why you have preseason, to understand what are the things that we need to adjust. Maganda nga lumalabas na to very early on so that you can make your adjustments, make your corrections. You understand the substitution patterns, who goes well with who. And, you know, this is why we have these games early.
See some of the handiwork by our best player of the game, Robbie Celis, finding himself a new home para kasama dito ang mga batang Kangaloo.
And it wasn't an easy adjustment as well for Rob Celis. A little bit silent in the first half, but eventually woke up together.